Here's a tutorial on how to use CarStory. You're going to click on the bottom left car looking app and CarStory will pop up. And you type in your username, which in my case, in all of our cases, it's our email address. So victoria@oaklandtoyota.com, and the password is CarStory, all in lowercase, and click log in. The first time you log in, there's going to be no vehicle data, so you're going to click the refresh button, and it's going to take about 2 to 5 minutes to refresh the data. You want to refresh the data every day you come in. Here's your virtual lot here. This is new and used cars combined. You can switch new and used. I have it all in one, so I'm going to click on a 2011 Avalon because that's what my customer is looking at, that we're on the lot. Let's say we're outside on the lot. You don't need Wi-Fi to use CarStory also, as long as you update it. Here are the market insights on the 2011 Avalon. You can see, certified pre-owned, classic, silver, metallic, the market guide, how we're priced in comparison with our competition, and how many miles the competition has, how many miles we have. Here in the mileage guide, it'll show how many miles were driven, and you can also click on the Carfax report. So in the Carfax report, you can see the vehicle history. In this case, it's a one owner. Go through the Carfax with your customer, show them all the stuff. This is all on your iPad. So easy. Everything's on here. You don't have to pretend like you know too much about the car because the iPad tells you everything. Again, back to the mileage guide. There are 51,631 total miles, 17,210 a year. Here are the different features. If you keep scrolling down, it shows all the nice safety features of the vehicle. Energy and environment features. It shows the fuel economy, greenhouse gas emissions rating, smog rating, and then all the performance on the vehicle. And that will show also an increase in the value. Leather seats, moonroof, every single thing about this car from this CarStory app. So it's awesome. You can just show your customer your app and you can talk about it while you're walking around the lot. It also shows, okay, I think we got out of there. Okay, we're clicking back and let's see what we're clicking on now. You can compare the car to, let's see, the 2008 Avalon and see, maybe they're looking at both cars. You can compare the two while you're out on the lot, show how many more miles, what the different features are. The 11 had the rear view camera. This one, the 8 has a different interior color, leather seats, leather steering wheel. It just shows all the comparisons, and you don't have to read up on these. You just use your iPad, and it shows you everything about the car. So we're just comparing it all, and now you can look at other cars on here. If you scroll down, it shows the make and the logo. If you click on Smart Search, you can change the make on the left so that you can scroll through. The make and the models are all on there. So that's a different way to search for your vehicles if you don't want to just scroll up and down with your fingertip. Here, I had clicked on Avalon. We're back to the 2011 Avalon. And I believe now, okay, we're looking at other alternatives again. And it shows 8 alternatives, and this is using the Smart Search on the left. There are so many features on here. These are just kind of the basics here. I know I'm going kind of fast, but I'm also going to share this, and I'm going to text my customer the vehicle so it goes right to their phone. And we all love text messages. I know I read text messages faster than I read an email. It's going to pop right up on their phone, and it'll say, Victoria Colosimo, your salesperson, wants to share with you the 2011 Avalon. You can also add a photo. You can write a note in there. You can do all this from the iPad. It's so easy, you guys, and it makes you look like you know so much more information than you might actually know on the car, because I know that a lot of you, it's hard to keep up with all the inventory, and this makes it just so easy to pretend like you know everything about every car because it's right on your CarStory. And I'm just going to write this guy a quick text message and have it send right to the guy's phone while you're on the lot with the guy. So then you have the guy's phone number on here and you're sending him a text, then he has all your information. And we are just writing a quick letter. And I'm going to put the dealership's phone number on here so that it's now in his text message so he can just text you right back. It doesn't have to be a clean message like an email might have to be. You can also mark it sold if you sold it and it's not yet sold in the system, or you know that it's going to be sold or something. You can mark it sold so that you're not showing this guy a new car that might not be available for everyone. So that's also a nice feature. Mark it unsold, sold, whatever you want to do. This is a great tool. Everybody should be using it. You can search on the Smart Search again for vehicles that are between 45 and 50 miles per gallon. Whatever your customer wants. If they want, let's see, I want a 50 mile per gallon car. Just click it right in there and it's going to show you everything we have. So it is, it's an awesome tool. So much to it. I only want cars with a black exterior. Go ahead and click black exterior. Here's all the different makes. Please just mess around with the program. It's, cars less than 10K. Instead of just walking the lot or even sitting down at your computer. 1, 2, 3, as long as you hit that refresh button in the morning, every morning, it'll be faster than if you hit the refresh button once a week, let's say, and your inventory is going to be up to date straight from VIN Solutions. The prices pulled are the prices that are online, or that are on the lot. I'm sorry, not online, on the lot. And that's CarStory. So have fun with the app, and please let any of us know if you have any questions, and use this app. Thank you.